Hey everybody, Sir Happy Gamer here. I hope you're having a great day. You know, the other day I was looking through the Nextdoor app, checking out what's going on in my neighborhood, and it looked like a lot of people in my area were getting their power tools and lawn equipment stolen recently. You know, everybody's getting a little antsy with the coronavirus pandemic going on, and it seems like some people are resorting to looting items that are left out in the open. Well, I went out on the old Google and I found a really simple solution. It's called MyPropertyIDRegistry, and I decided to reach out to the owner of the company and see if we could set up an affiliate marketing deal, maybe get my viewers a nice little discount and show everybody how to set up the system and register and protect their property. Alright, now that it's off the delivery drone, let's bust it open with a nice little power tool. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside here. Let me just pull it out of the envelope. Alright, My Property ID Registry. There we go. We got our pamphlet open. What to do when your security kit arrives. Oh wow, these look like some really nice burglary deterrent adhesives right here. Those will be hard to peel off if anyone wanted to try to peel those off. Alright, we got 3 different sizes of burglary deterrent registration tags. Looks like we got lots of badges for windows and doors, common places where people would be breaking in. Let them know there's no reason to break in at all anymore. Everything's in a registry, so if they ever try to sell them or take them to a pawn shop, the police can come recover your items pretty quick, so there's really no reason to break in and steal anything at that point. Let you guys take a look at that spread of information. Alright, let's go ahead and peel one of these bad boys off and stick it on that saw I used to open the envelope. Right here? No, that's gonna get scuffed up. Alright, right here on the underside. Nice and visible. Anybody getting ready to steal that will be able to read that, hey, this is in a registry. You're not going to be able to make any money off of this. Go ahead and slap one of these on my drone as well. Let's stick one on the old laptop. One on the back of the MIDI synthesizer. We'll go ahead and post one right on the front door, let everybody know that my items inside are protected. Let's slap one on the window there. Anyone trying to break in the window that didn't see the front door. And one on the back door if anyone decides to jump over the fence and try to get past my dogs into my house. Alright, now after you've gotten your package, you're going to want to log in to the system so that you can register all of your new identification numbers. Go ahead and click the nice pop-up that comes up so you can start to register your items. All you're going to do is make sure that you have pictures of your items from earlier with your stickers on them, or they're nearby for you to read off of, or you've taken a note. And then go ahead and enter in all of the associated information. You're going to want serial numbers, make, models, and then maybe even keep a file of the photographs of all your items with their new identification numbers on them. Now that all your valuable items have been registered and all of your theft deterrent stickers have been put up around your home, you can rest easy knowing that your items will be traceable and they will come back if things happen to get stolen. Looking good. Alright, let me show you where you can place an order for these guys over at MyPropertyIDregistry.com. You're going to go over to the Buy tab and you're going to select how many of these identification plates and registration slots you need. Go ahead and place your order. They've got it for $39 for 10 tags, 20 tags for $59, 50 tags and up, $109 and up from there. It's a security system lost and found. You place your order, you receive your item, you receive your stickies, you label your items, you record them in the system, and you place your warnings to deter criminals. Let's take a quick peek at the facts page. We can check out the federal regulations they comply with and look at their privacy policies. They do not sell your information to data miners, and they protect your privacy. They're into protecting your items and your privacy. Thanks for spending time with Sir Happy Gamer today. This was a Sir Happy Gamer Tech Review.